So we've just checked into the Cosmopolitan, which is our home for the next 2 nights. I'd got a deal through our Identity Rewards. We are sterling, I think. The next level up from the first level, whatever that is. And it's 2 nights for free. It was a city room, which is 2 queen beds. No resort fees, and because of our level we don't pay parking, so again it's completely free. Well, when we got to check out, I asked if they had any king rooms available. So he said, well, I don't have a king, but I can give you a larger 2 queen room with a view of the fountains. I'm like, well, that's nice. He went, or if you want an upgrade for $95 a night, we could put you in a 1-bedroom terrace suite. So that's what we've done. I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you our room for the next 2 nights. So this is us, 4825. It's high floor. This is the entrance. It's connecting door. So you come in, you have a dining area, and then you have your kitchen area. All of the controls for everything. You've got the different rooms. You can change your temperature, your lights, everything. And then, I'm not sure which cupboard's which. You've got your fridge for your own things. And then you've also got the minibar, which is a great idea. Not sure what these ones are, they're just empty cupboards. So we're still in the dining area. Let's bring you in here. We've got a lovely shower room with some nice bits and pieces and a lovely big shower there. Okay, let's move further on into the suite. And we have a living area with TV, and that leads us round to the actual bedroom with our king bed, which I'm really happy about. Another seating area, another huge great big TV, and then we've got on the bed, you've got night lights, which is pretty cool. And then you've also got your controls for your lights, USB ports, which is really good. And then a really, really cool wardrobe or closet. We've got robes. Iron and ironing board for Rich, because his holiday wouldn't be complete without that. And then we go into the master bathroom. So we've got a nice big soaking tub. Oh, it's a jacuzzi tub. Yeah. Well, it's got lots of little holes in it. Yeah, I think so. Yes, it is. Oh, cool. It's a jacuzzi tub. And then look at this shower. It's huge. Could have a party in there. Twin sinks and toilet. And then we're on the 48th floor. I have a fear of heights, so...
This one's open, this door.
This one is?
No, this one.
Oh, okay. We have 2 patio doors, because we now have... yeah, it's still high up. And then this is our view. This is the Vegas Strip. We're going to have a view of the fountains. So, what do you think?
It's just a mediocre room. It's fine.
But you can manage for 2 nights. Do you want to go back to Excalibur?
I'll slum it here for a couple of nights. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. I can deal with it.
I don't think I want to leave the room. We are in the Boulevard Tower, above the casino floor, and this is all the restaurants. You've got Egg-Slut, Holstein's, China Poblano is here. all sorts of different things. And then here, it's almost like a street food. I guess this is their, what's the word I'm looking for? The equivalent of food court, but it's set out like street food. So you've got District Donuts, Sliders and Brews, Bang Bar by Momofuku. Bang is, I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but that's bread in Korean. And then Hattie B's hot chicken, which is what we're having, and it looks like ours is ready. Yep, that's ours. And then we've got Tekka Bar, sushi, and Lardo hot sandwiches. And there are various places to sit as well, and lots of counter seats, and there's some booths back there. So it's not bad. And then we've had, what did we order? I got the chicken tenders, so it's 3 tenders. And it comes with 2 sides. So I had the potato salad and the coleslaw, and I had blue cheese dip. And you have a choice of your heat. So you can have southern, which is no heat, then mild, medium and hot, then super hot and get the cluck out, isn't it? And Rich has the white meat chicken, and he went with the coleslaw and the fries, and then we just got a beer each. And that came to $63 with a tip. So it's not too bad. I have to say that was really good chicken. Rich didn't have as much meat on his as he was expecting. I'd gone for the tenders. It was really nice white tender chicken. The sides were great. The potato salad was really creamy. Had great flavour. I said I had the hot. Rich had one of mine and just about died. But no, waste of food. There's loads left over because there's just so much here, and I think when we come back next time, if we eat here, we should actually know by now that the portion sizes are big.
Well, even have a sandwich down the road.
The sandwich would share, yeah. I mean, everything's just so big. But we've got no plans for dinner or anything tonight, so this should keep us going for quite some time. We might have dessert for dinner. Rich just needs to lie down and go to sleep. It's currently 10:30. I think we left it a bit late to eat. So we are heading to the Aria. Because apparently the patisserie there is open for 24 hours. So I'm starving. There are restaurants that are still open, but I don't think either of us wants to actually do a sit-down meal. But we do need to eat. So hopefully we can find something. We found the patisserie. There's a queue. This is the only place that's open. But Rich is dribbling at the moment.
It's so much. I'll take the hit for the team.
I'll show you what's up there when we get up there. So these are the savoury options. We're gonna have a ham and cheese croissant. It's just a small one. We're gonna share it, and then we'll decide what sweet stuff we want. They got lots to choose from. I've got a caramel cashew blondie. Rich has got an almond croissant. But I will good stuff. Our food's arrived. I think that's the ham and cheese croissant. Yeah, it feels warm. Looks a bit. Oh, it's toasted.
Yeah.
And then my blondie, the almond croissant, which is quite large. Rich got a latte. I got a water with tip. $41. Not brilliant, but not bad, especially at 11 o'clock on a Sunday night.
Beggars can't be choosers.
No. So that's us. We're going to eat these.